Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we have another Flyoobe app update, and these things are really rolling out fast and quite hard to keep up actually. But nonetheless, just keeping you guys posted regarding this latest release, version 1.50. Now, just a quick overview as to what's new in the ever popular Windows 11 Bypass app. Now, for this edition, we get new background rendering rework, where the background selection feature introduced in the previous version has been reworked for better performance and stability, where you can now select a background via settings, pick a background. So as an example, let's choose Aurora Night. So you get the general idea. You've got a couple of different backgrounds to choose from, and the update, the developer says, significantly reduces memory usage and improves rendering speed and overall user interface responsiveness. And while we are in the settings, there's a new online update checker. So if we click on that, it takes you over online, and I quite like the look and feel of this because the developer says it's redesigned in full retro style. Think Windows 2000 meets Game Boy, and I actually quite like the look of that updater, and you can see I am fully up to date. And regarding this message at the top, more of that to come, because that's quite an important announcement from the developer. More of that later. And then just to mention the next, the developer says they've added support for script-driven input fields for the extensions engine. So that's a tweak and adjustment taking place under the hood. And then we get 1, 2, 3 new extension scripts. And the first, according to the developer, if we head into our post setup, here we can see there's a new Valve tool bridge with the developer saying there's a wrapper to enable disable query hidden Windows features by ID, and it also supports comma separated ID lists. So that's the first. Then the next one is a Nanite bulk installer, which I think is great, which builds the Nanite bundle URL from app slugs, names, downloads to desktop, and launches installer. So I think that's a nice move. And then we get a WinGet bulk installer as the third new extension script, which the developer says quickly installs multiple packages in one run. And then getting back to that banner at the top of the page, as I said we would get to later in the video. If we head over to the release notes, which will be, by the way, down in the description if you'd like to download version 1.50, here we get a fake site warning with the developer saying never download from flyoobe.net. It's said that the site is fake, unsafe, and not affiliated with this project. Trust only official GitHub releases where we are today over on GitHub. So that's very important. Take note of that. That's been causing a bit of an issue. So that's more or less, guys, what's new in Flyoobe 1.50, allowing you to install Windows 11 on any operating system or on any device as mentioned in previous videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.